Hey guys, this is Milan from Hypermedia, and in today's video I want to talk about digital products. So first, let's talk what are the digital products and basically what it is. So digital products are usually and basically always products that are not physically obtainable, so you can grab them, or at least when you buy it you can grab it. And why I hesitated there, because if you are, for example, buying a physical a digital product and maybe print it out, then yeah, you can grab it physically. But at the point when you bought it, you can't grab it physically. So this is why I say these are the digital products that you can grab physically, basically. And so let's see a few examples for digital products. I'm sorry, guys. So for digital products, for example, ebooks, workout plans, maybe consulting, but that's more like a service than a product. Yeah, it's a service. I'm sorry. So ebook, um, workout plans, courses, video video courses. That's the same. Um, yeah, basically that's the main categories of digital products and what are most commonly used among influencers and other kinds of social media personal brands to leverage their following, because basically these are products that you create in front, so basically from time you create a product like this. So these are good because you can put up time, so it's just take time, no money, just a little bit of effort and time to make these products, and then you can leverage it and make a lot of money out of it, because you just if you sell one, maybe not already pay your time, but usually a few is paying your time and your efforts, and then after that is all profit. Then by the way, the first few is profit too, because you haven't put any money down, basically, or not too much, in my opinion, because the digital products is so wonderful because they have no manufacturing cost, they have no advertising cost, because you are advertising on your page and selling to your audience. So this is why digital products are so good. So if you, for example, let's say you have a $100 ebook, so how much you get from the $100 ebook? 100, man. So if you sell on your page, you get $100 from your ebook. So this is why it is so great, basically, because you get all of the money from it, so you don't have any cost within this $100, for example. And why every influencer should have one product? For first, it's a good way for your for basically, I'm not gonna say this, but this way, so it's a good way to get a, a thing that can be bought by your followers to support you. Get what I mean? So it's not like you are asking for money, because it's not, basically you are create to the product which is downstream, just basically giving you money to make more videos and make better videos and yeah, make more higher quality and more videos. But for videos or pictures or any kind of stuff related to your social side. And these are great because another reason is, so first reason is your audience can support you, and another reason is basically you can make money from it without any big headaches. Yeah, headaches always will be any business, any product sell, anything. But with kind of this digital product, there are not too much headaches, basically, because you are just, yeah, they just build your product, and maybe they have few questions, you can answer it with one click, or you have a customer service, or I don't know, but probably you don't, because it's just a simple ebook or a simple something, and maybe you have a course. Okay, so we talked about what kind of digital products are, and let's talk about why they are good and why they are bad, and how to use them. So we talked about that there are courses, ebooks, worker plans. Basically, you can make digital product from almost everything you can think of, but to be certain, a digital product is what you don't have to manage like a business. You don't have to. So basically, it's just a book type of product. You don't have to manage it. You don't have to use customer service for it. You don't have to take your time and put into it like consulting or something like that. So get this out of the way, and let's talk about what's good and what's good in it, and why I recommend to you to make your first digital product now, basically. So first, digital products are good because they are allow your audience to support you. And maybe you can came across those influencers who ask for money basically on Patreon. But that's a so much better way to ask people to buy your digital product with your stamps on it and with your work in it to basically support you. And to be honest, this is not just for support, because you should create as good of a product as you can, not just to give it to a Fiverr freelancer and that's all, and don't give a fuck about it. Create as good of an ebook or a course as you can, and yeah, basically that's it about that. And people will support you because they want to support you. This is why people buy merches, buy donate on Patreon, donate on Twitch, because they want to support you. But this is a so much better way to support people with a product that is literally making their passion compressed, basically, like a workout plan. Like a workout plan, that's one of my best examples for a digital product, because you don't have to manage a workout plan. You don't have to be create your time to manage other people's workout plan. You just basically sell them, and people can do them, and that's all. So, and if you do a good workout plan, you can change people's lives. This is with ebooks or with any digital products. Basically, you can change people's life if you do it good enough, and they can support you as well. So the next thing is money. Basically, there is nothing I want to show this to you more because of money, because it can make a shit ton of money. Think about it. If you sell a thing that maybe you put into 100 hours to making that cookbook, let's say, or let's say 100 hours to make that few workout plans, and then you post it, and then a lot of them is being bought. They buy a lot of them, and yeah, you made a lot of money. Okay, so let's break down how much is the profit. All of them. Yeah, maybe you can subtract the amount of work times your hourly rate, but yeah, basically, man, I think you shouldn't, because yeah, you can to be really specific, but I think that's not necessary right here, because that's the main goal. That is, it is a passive income source, so it's just basically to not say too incorrectly, it's just printing you money. Basically, that's all. It's to printing you money as much as you can sell of them. And the good thing about it is doesn't require any marketing usually, because you can just sell it from your site. Maybe you can boost it to your site, boost it to your post, and boost it up. Yeah, that could be right. And why I'm saying money is super important here is because if you are making money without spending money, then you are saving money, and from a big chunk of money, you can create your brand, which is your personal brand's basically legacy. And the end goal usually here is your personal, with your personal brand, to create a brand that lives longer than you, or at least I think that should be your goal. Because yeah, you'll be a baby one day, don't wanna do your posts or videos or I don't know, and your affiliate links die out, your sponsorships die out, your ebook sales will die out, your digital product sales will die out, and the only thing that will left is basically your brand. If you made it, and if you are good enough, you have good enough business sense that you pass on to it because you hired other younger influencers than you, or other influencers that are, maybe you are 20, you just don't want to post. So basically that's it. That's why I think the brand is the end goal, and that's why I think the digital product is good way to step up your game. And yeah, it's a good way for your following to support you as well. So I hope you guys found this informative. Please write down in the comment section below what is your thoughts about digital product, and maybe any questions, when to sell them first, or anything. So yeah, I see you in the next one, guys. I hope you like this video. Then like it, subscribe for the next one, hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.